Tip: signal early. Always assume someone else doesn't see you. Mistake number 5. Overspeeding, not matching. Speed to conditions. Learners often go too fast on curves or in bad weather. Leads to loss of control or penalties. Tip: no speed limits. Slow down well before turn. Anticipate conditions. Mistake number 6. Poor reverse parking technique. Many learners end up hitting cone, curb, or misjudge space. It's a common test fail point. Tip: practice small reverses, use reference points, go slow. Mistake number 7. Nervousness, hesitation in critical situations. When unsure, many freeze or brake when they shouldn't. Confidence is part of being a safe driver. Tip: simulate test scenarios, build muscle memory, calm your nerves. If you have local common errors in your city, swap one or more to match your area. Those were the 7 mistakes. If you avoid them, you'll dramatically raise your chances of passing and driving safely. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. I'll personally reply. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's learning to drive. Also, check my playlist, Driving Tests and Tips. I've got videos on parallel parking, maneuvers, test day nerves, etc. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Thanks, Fo.